If you're knee-deep in planning your big day, you'll know every detail is an opportunity to celebrate who you are as a couple with the people who love you most. And your wedding invites are a part of that self-expression. While every invite needs a few essentials, like the date, time, and location, the look and feel can give guests a taste for your vision for the event itself. And that might mean a medieval theme, an unexpected pair of flower girls, or some amazing bridal party choreography. Or, what about actress Anya Taylor-Joy's anatomically correct wedding cake hearts? In this guide, we'll talk through different wedding invitation styles and finishes to suit your matrimonial aesthetic. Then, we'll show you how you can use VistaPrint's templates to complement any wedding theme, whether you're going for a whimsical fairy tale affair, a chic urban soiree, or a rustic barnyard bash. Loud colours and patterns? No thanks. At least not for the classic and elegant wedding invitation. These are all about traditional visual elements and an overall refined look. Anything that will stand the test of time. Couples who want risk-free sophistication should look for monochrome colour schemes, elegant calligraphy, and delicate light touch details such as lace or greenery. Rustic and country-style wedding invitations could feature anything from earthy textures and natural motifs to cowboy boots and mechanical bulls. Yeehaw! Rustic wedding invitations often include muted shades of brown, green, and yellow. They can also feature nature-themed imagery like flowers, greenery, and trees. Go even further with line drawings of an old barn or your favourite mountain view. Or, what about a Texas Longhorn? You can also have your invitations printed on earthy paper stock like linen or a slightly speckled hemp blend, giving them a soft, natural charm. When the invitations are printed, you could tie them together with twine, add little sprigs of lavender to the envelope, or even some seeds for your guests to plant. Planning a wedding in an urban loft or contemporary event space? Does it involve sleek, structural elements, a neutral colour palette, or pops of gold and silver? Not including the wedding rings, of course. Go for modern and minimalist wedding invitations. They often feature clean lines, bold black and white colour schemes, and an emphasis on typography. But if you want to add a little extra bling to your invitation suite, try adding gold or silver embossed foil accents. Still modern, but luxurious too. Want to transport your guests to a bygone era? That means something different for everyone. But if you're aiming for the soft, romantic charm of the Gilded Age, consider a beautiful monogram, elaborate scripted calligraphy, and floral motifs. Or, if you prefer the glamorous Art Deco design of the Roaring '20s, look for geometric shapes or patterns, as well as metallic accents, and a ticket-style invite, like you're welcoming your guests to an elaborate party at Gatsby's mansion. Do your pals love that you're a little bit extra? Do you like bright colours, bold patterns, and maximalist design? Are you the living embodiment of the dancer emojis? If you match to the beat of your own drum, you'll want wedding invitations that do too. You could start with invitations featuring bright colour palettes, quirky typography, or loud graphics. But there are other design elements you can think about too, like glitter foil, scalloped edges, goofy pictures, and maybe even an interactive puzzle. At VistaPrint, we've got everything you need to design your own wedding invitations. There's thousands of templates you can search by style, from vintage to minimal to traditional. We've organised them by wedding trend too. But choosing templates doesn't mean your invites will look like everyone else's. Once you've chosen an invitation style, you can personalise them till your heart's content, which means adding foil, scalloped edges, photographs, or fun imagery. That's in case you were planning that medieval wedding. In which case, we hope thou hast a most blessed day. We hope you enjoyed that little overview of different invitation styles, and that you're inspired by different design elements you can use to reflect the overall aesthetic of your wedding. And if you need more than invitations, head over to VistaPrint's wedding page, where you can make your own save the date cards, ceremony and reception signage, menus, thank you cards, and keepsakes. We think you'll be smitten. If you could use a little more help without completely blowing the budget, check out VistaPrint's in-house design services. We can set you up with a custom design or put you in touch with a professional designer. That's all for now. Have fun taking the plunge, and best wishes for your big day.